In this vlog, we are going to see how to fetch data from API, and we are also using live data here with MVVM architecture. So regarding MVVM architecture, I have explained in my previous tutorial. If you have missed it, you can find the link in the description section. So here I want to show you the JSON array first. So here is our JSON data which is coming from our server. I have just shown it with the local file because I have used a temporary JSON API here, so it might get expired within few days. So whenever you are trying to make this project, so this is the JSON array. I will be provided in the link. So here in repository we are making a call for fetching data from API, and on response success we are storing the data into model. So here is a model class. We are storing the data into user wrapper class. So what is a user wrapper? User wrapper is a wrapping up of the user class. So as I have shown here, status, message, data and error, these are the four fields we are having. So using user wrapper we will be fetching those four fields, and in the data we are having a list of user details. So we are parsing that separately with the help of user class. So from here we are getting the data to user repository. We are saving the data into our model class, and from there we are passing the data to our view model. So we are returning the mutable live data. In view model we are passing that data, and we are emitting the data from view model to view. So here in view you can observe the data. So it's a unidirectional communication in MVVM architecture. The data from model will go to view model, and from view model it will be displayed into view. So from view model to view we emit the data, and from view we observe the data. So with the help of an adapter, so here in view we are observing the data and we are passing the data to recycler view. So here in adapter we are parsing the data from the array list, and we are displaying in. So this is how we are making use of the MVVM architecture. And here you can observe a swipe refresh screen is there. Let's run the code and you can get a better understanding. So here the data you can see from user JSON, we have parsed the same exactly the data, and on swipe the data will be refreshed. Currently there is no new data, so we are showing the same data. So the code is present in the description section. You can go to the link and get the code. And if you like this video, for more interesting videos, please do like, share, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell icon to get more interesting videos.